All right, Mr. Johnson. Now, you now have your training service weapon right now, your training weapon, okay, which is a laser weapon, all right? So now what we're going to do, we're going to go through our sight pictures and our trigger control, all right? Sight pictures and trigger control, all right? Now, what you're going to do, right, I just put some targets on the board right there, okay, on the screen right there, all right? Now, what you're going to do when we say trigger control, the first thing is you're not going to put too much of your finger inside of the trigger guard. All right, you're going to only put about halfway of your finger inside of the trigger guard. All right, and then you're going to slowly pull that trigger back, straight back to you. All right, slowly pull it straight back. All right, now, not only that, your breathing control. What I want you to do is take on a good grip, a good stance, put your weapon out in front of you. All right, good. Now, with both eyes open, what I want you to do for me, Mr. Johnson, I want you to just take a deep breath and look at the end of your weapon. Take a deep breath, let it out. Take another deep breath, let it out. What is your weapon doing? Look at it closely. Take a deep breath, let it out. What is your weapon doing? The end of your weapon doing? It's going up and down. Your weapon is going up and down. When you inhale, your weapon goes which direction? Up. Yes, it does. When you exhale? Down. Excellent. Yes, it does. So, why is that so important, Mr. Johnson? Because when you're breathing, when you're not exercising breathing control, it affects your sight picture, which in return affects where your round lands in the process. Yes, all right, that makes sense to you? Yes, all right, so there's something that is called a natural respiratory pause. That is the pause that is in between us exhaling and us inhaling. All right, so what you want to do before you pull the trigger of your weapon, you want to exhale. Hold your breath for a second. Exhale. Exhale. Hold it. No, hold your breath when you exhale. Exhale. Now hold. Squeeze the trigger. And then start back breathing again. Okay? You understand what I'm saying?